Parts of a computer. Learning objectives. Name the main parts of a computer. Understand what each part does. Identify input, output, processing and storage devices. A computer is made up of different parts that work together. These parts help the computer show pictures, type letters, and do many other tasks. Each part has its own job to make the computer work. These parts can be divided into 4 main categories: input devices, processing device, output devices, and storage devices. Let us learn about input devices. Input devices help us give instructions to the computer. Here are some common input devices. Keyboard. A keyboard has many buttons called keys. We use it to type letters, numbers, and symbols. It helps us type words and sentences on the computer. Mouse. A mouse is a pointing device that we move with our hand. It helps us move the pointer on the screen. We can click on icons to open them. When we move the mouse, we can see a small arrow called pointer moving on the screen. Microphone. A microphone helps us input sounds into the computer. We can record our voice or talk to others online. Scanner. A scanner copies pictures or documents into the computer. It works like a copying machine. Processing device. The central processing unit, CPU, is a processing device of the computer. It does all the calculations and runs programs. Without the CPU, the computer cannot work. It is often called the brain of the computer. Output devices. Output devices shows us the results from the computer. They are like our eyes and ears. Some of the common output devices are monitor. A monitor looks like a TV screen. It shows us pictures, words and videos. Printer. A printer takes what we see on the screen and prints it on the paper. After we finish typing or drawing on the computer, we can use the printer to get a hard copy of our work. There are 3 main types of printers, each with its own way of printing and uses. Speakers. Speakers let us hear sounds from the computer. We can listen to the music, songs, and stories. Headphones. Headphones are like small speakers we wear over our ears. They let us listen without disturbing others. Storage devices. Storage devices help us save our work and keep it safe. They are like our memory. Some of the common storage devices are hard disk. A hard disk is inside the computer. It stores all our programs, games, and files. It uses magnetic disks to store large amounts of data. CD. A CD, which is also called as compact disc, is a shiny, round disc. We can store music, videos, and data on it. A DVD, digital versatile disc, is like a CD but can hold more information. We can watch movies and save large files on it. Pen drive. A pen drive is a small device that can be carried in the pocket. It helps us move files from one computer to another. Let's get back to the chapter summary. Computers have different parts that work together. Input devices like the keyboard and mouse help us give information to the computer. The processing device is the brain that works on the information. Output devices like the monitor and printer show us the results. Storage devices like the hard disk and pen drive help us save our work. Thank you.